Hello! In this video I will show you how to add eSIM on Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your settings application, then click on Network and Internet and click on SIM and Mobile Networks. Now click Allow and click on Download New SIM. Now click on Set up an eSIM. And you have to scan your QR code. Then click Setup, and here you have to enter your verification code. And now you have to wait for your eSIM to be downloaded. And now click Finish. And as you can see, my eSIM is now added. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.